Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Abir Hossain Khan, assistant teacher in mathematics of day shift at National Ideal English Version School. All of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. Today I am going to take a mathematics class for class 1. According to very last one, you have to know that today is our lecture 14 and our HW is 8. And this is the including of half-yearly system, and our topic is descending order, and today is part 2. Now let's do the arrange these numbers as descending order. My dear students, we know that descending order means greatest to smallest. First of all, you have to look, this is 3-digit numbers, this is 3 digits, 3 digits, 2 digits, and this is 3 digits numbers. So among them, here 6 is the biggest number. So 7 is the biggest number, 5 and 2. 2, 5, 7, 6. Among them, 7 is the greatest. So 797 is the greatest number. Then 6 is the greatest. So 642 is the greatest number. Then it will be 5. So the number will be 599, and then it will be 2. So it will be 288, and this is 60. 60 is the 2-digit number, so it is the smallest among them. My dear students, you have to submit this HW. This is first number 1000, second number 576, 802, 290, and last one is 620. Hope you are well and you understood the class. Try more and more at your home. See you soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.